Hello, Crazy Boricua here one more time. How you doing, people in YouTube? This is gonna be an unboxing of the SYC the DaVinci 1.0 Pro. It's a 3D printer, laser engraver. So let's do this now. Unbox. Hello again, Crazy Boricua here again one more time. Let's do unboxing the DaVinci 1.0 Pro 3D printer, laser engraver. Alright, let's do this. Okay, my friends, we're here now with the box, the beautiful box, wow, of my 3D printer. I don't know been paid. I paid it full price for this printer. This is a disclaimer, and what AYC no pay me for doing this unboxing. Let's do this. Let me get my knife. Wait a second. Okay, let's open this. Alright, with the knife here. Okay, I think you pull this up in this box. So yeah. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Oops. What we got in here? We got side covers. Again, this is the extruder cleaner, the hot end cleaner, USB port to computer. Yeah, that's nice. See, hold on. See, you can see, people. Real clear there. Beautiful. Okay, I wait for this printer for like maybe 3-4 days, something like that. Okay, we got the fitting for the tubing, a scraper, nice scraper too. CD-ROM, well, CD for the software, and the bit adhesive paper tape or painter's tape. This is a nice one. And the instructions. So let's put this to the side. Let's open the printer. Okay, let me see how the focus in the printer is in my camera. Okay, now I have to adjust it again so you can see the. Here we go. This is the beautiful, awesome DaVinci Pro. Sorry, I need to try in order to. We got the power cord, the cartridge for the filament. That one is proprietary. This is expensive, I see, but they're coming free with the printer, so that's not bad. And let's put this to the side. Let's open the plastic. Okay, let me take this out. Oh, okay. Yeah. Take the cardboard out, the styrofoam out. Got a lot of styrofoam. Okay. Okay, another styrofoam with plastic bag. Okay, let's turn that beauty around. Let me see, you can see it real good in there. So let me put it back a little bit more so I can take this. Let me take the cardboard back out. Okay. Okay. My son 3DS falling on the floor, but okay. Here we go. This is the devici Pro. Hold on 1 second. The little oxen. Hopefully they work like that. Let me take you down with me. Okay, a little closer so you can see it. Good there. Nice focus. Good. Here we go. So let's take the plastic out of the front. I hear in the other reviews they come with a lot of very protected inside, so hopefully that's the case. This one, high plastic. Ooh, sounds interesting. Nice. Okay, let's show this door in the side with the power cord goes. Feels nice. Yep. Feels awesome to take in the side and top. Oh wow. It's real protected. Okay. Okay, let me take this out. Hold on. Okay. Okay, let me take the other one out. Let me put you here so you can see inside how they come. Okay, so inside, this is in there, in front, inside. You see it's coming real protected, like they put a styrofoam cardboard, and they look nice. In front, it's nice too. Coming protected, a lot of plastic, styrofoam holding the hotbed and the carriage. So let's take it apart. Let's put it back again so you can see what's going on in here. Okay, let me put you down. A little bit more. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Now, here we are inside. Okay. Here we go. Let me put you here so I can take this apart. Okay. And a piece of cardboard here. Styrofoam, sorry, not cardboard. Styrofoam. Okay. One more here. Hello, back again. Alright, so I already put the power cord, the USB port cord to the going to the laptop in here. You can see the cord is going in there. Let me zoom it in so you can see going in there. It's going there. The power and the USB. The power is going the bottom. The USB going the top. It looks like a printer cable, and you can run it around behind to the laptop, and the wall in the power will go to the back wall. So, and then, all right, and let me zoom it out. Sorry about that. Yeah, and here, okay. Let's say unlock. Okay. So this is the cartridge proprietary. This thing just fell out. I don't know why. Okay, let me see something here. This is to lock the cartridge. Okay, so it's going here, and then the way it's going, let me see its focus. Let me go to move the camera so you people can see too the process. I'm gonna zoom it into. Okay, I'm gonna try to go above the printer. Okay. Okay, let me try to go back. Let me fix the tripod so you can see with me here. Let me go back a little bit. You see that white plastic? So this is a lock for the cartridge. You're supposed to take the lock out. And hello YouTube, Crazy Boricua here again. Already put the paper in the hotbed. It's not that great, like we said. And load the filament. The way you do it is you put the filament over here, and then go to the menu, and I guess it's utilities. You go to utilities, change car, you press OK, and then they ask you load filament. You press OK again. I already did it, and what they do is just keep feeding the filament all the way down to the extruder. They heat the they feed the filament all the way down to the hot end. Then the hot end started heated up, and they keep popping filament to the extruder, to the hot end. Then they ask you if you can see it. Say you press OK, and that's it. That's the whole thing to fill it up. So I'm gonna see I can make a part. I don't have glue sticks, but I'm gonna try it without the glue stick to see. Okay, let me see. It's in here, build sample. Okay, I'm gonna do the keychain now, and hold on 1 second. Let me see. I got some glue stick, so we can do. All right, yes, I just put the glue stick in the bed. The bed is rising, and let's do this. I'm making the keychain, so starting here at the hot end and the bed. So my camera battery is about to die too, so yeah, cut it off. I'm sorry. I have a GoPro, so I'm gonna switch soon. The other thing is the filament don't come and tell me what it was. It's ABS or PLA, so I don't know. I guess the machine detected by the chip inside the what kind of filament it is. It's going up the temperature. You can see. Sorry, the focus is. Come on. Let's keep going back. Come on. Is that alright? Oh my goodness. Here we go, better in there. Doing a little filament, and it's about to start. Let me pause in here, and I'm going to GoPro. Hold on. Hello, guys. See what I'm going here, and I print this and DaVinci 1.0 Pro. So far I print that, and I print the famous keychain. Now I'm printing the what do they call that? Oh my god, forget the spool holder for the filament. So this take supposed to be, hold on, let me see. Say right there 10 hours. It was 11. Hold on, let me, here we go. It was 11 hours, so it's past 1 hour already, and keep printing. No problem so far. You can see this is looks good. Very decent, and I don't have no complaints. No jamming, no clocking, so hopefully keep it that way. Alright, so I don't know what's wrong with this camera, but it's getting here we go. I cannot put it too close, so you can see the detail in this. Let me put it, here we go, a little bit right there. No clocking. So far so good. I'm gonna show you on that part print. I don't think it's fair to record all this thing because everybody knows what they do. It's back and forward, and the layers is nice and small. You cannot see the lines, the printer. So hopefully, knock on wood, keep going that way. So, alright, so we're coming back later showing the piece. Alright. Okay, this is the famous printer. I'm trying to adjust the focus of the camera. Was me, I don't know, one of those, or either me, I'm getting blind, or is the camera out of focus. I think it's okay. Alright, so thank you.